एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है फाइनेंस गुरु के चैनल पर। और लेटेस्ट अपडेट मैं लेकर आई हूँ सीनियर सिटीज़न एंड सुपर सीनियर सिटीज़न के क्या क्या टैक्स बेनिफिट है और किस तरीके से उनको टैक्स पड़ता है। तो ऐसी और जानकारी के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को जितने भी आपके नॉलेज में सीनियर सिटीज़न या सुपर सीनियर सिटीज़न है उनको ज़रूर ये वीडियो भेजें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ऐसी लेटेस्ट जानकारियों के लिए। तो आइए समझते हैं टैक्सेस ऑफ फॉर सीनियर सिटीज़न। Indian government offers income tax benefit to senior citizen no more in this entire video. Now all income tax benefit for senior and super senior citizen in India under section 80D, 80DDB, 80TTB, 194A, 194P and more income tax benefit for super senior citizen. So do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Indian government offers income tax benefit to senior citizen. The Indian government provide tax benefit to senior citizen and super senior citizen to help them save money and reduce their tax burden. A senior citizen who is at least 60 years old but not more than 80, where a super senior citizen is someone who is at least 80 years of age. In this video, we will cover the benefit they can receive under various sections of Income Tax Act. Section 80D, Deduction for Health Insurance Premium. A senior citizen may receive a tax deduction for up to Rs 50,000 in a year if they are paying a health insurance policy for themselves, for their wife, husband, or for their children. The method of payment should be bank or digital, not in cash. They can also claim another Rs 50,000 if they pay for their parent health insurance. They can also claim up to 5,000 for preventing health checkup done for themselves or their in family. If a senior citizen doesn't have any health insurance but pay for a medical treatment by using non-cash method, they can claim up to 50,000, but only if the person getting the treatment is a senior citizen and there is no health insurance for them. A senior citizen can claim up to 1 lakh in total under this section, 50,000 for themselves and their family and Rs 50,000 for their parent. So this is the benefit for senior citizen in health insurance and health category. Now talking about deduction for the treatment for serious disease. Section 80 DDB. If a senior citizen uses money on the treatment of certain serious diseases for themselves or their dependent, then they can claim a tax deduction. The maximum amount limit to claim is Rs 1 lakh or the actual amount spent is less. But if any part of the treatment cost is paid by any insurance company or their employer, that amount will be reduced from the deduction the disease cover under the section method rule 11DD. Section 80 TTB, deduction for interest income. The senior citizens of India are allowed to claim deduction of up to 50,000 a year if they earn interest on saving or fixed deposit in a bank, post office or cooperative society. The deduction will help senior citizen avoid tax on their interest earned and will help reduce overall taxable income. Section 139, filing return in paper form. Super senior citizen can file their income tax return on paper instead of online. Section 139, filing return in paper form. Super senior citizen can file their income tax return on paper instead of doing it online. They can use simple forms such as ITR1 Sahaj or ITR4 Sugam, which will make the process easier for them. Section 194A, no TDS or interest income. If a senior citizen earn interest from a bank, post office or cooperative bank and the total interest in a year is not more than 1 lakh, then no TDS will be cut. Section 194P, no need to file ITR for some senior citizen. If a senior citizen is 75 years or older and has a pension and interest income from the same bank don't need to file any income tax return, but they need to give Form 12BBA to their bank with full details. The bank will calculate its income providing tax benefit under section like 87A and deduct the correct tax. This rule helps very early individual who have a simple income structure. Section 207, no advance tax. The senior citizen will not require to pay advance tax if they don't earn any money from business or profession. Even if their total tax is more than Rs 10,000 in a financial year, they are only required to pay it at the time of filing the return. These rules are made by the government to help senior and super senior citizens by reducing their tax and making the process easier for them. It helps them live tension free and during their retirement period. Thank you for watching the video.